Good day, Icky here again. It is Saturday, March the 3rd, I think. It's Saturday. Quite can't remember the date. Anyways, got the chainsaw running long enough to get the tree off the fence. I still have cleanup to do, but that's going to have to wait. The chainsaw died again. Irritating. I just had it fixed. This is the first tank of gas through it. But so be it with small engines. The chicken yesterday took forever to cook. It was like 10:30 last night before I had my first sandwich. Very tasty. Tough, but I knew that because it was a 2-year-old laying hen. For the suggestions on how to make barbecue sauce, I sort of followed them. I had done it before I got the comments in. I coated the chicken in ketchup and then sprinkled on garlic powder and onion powder. No vinegar, and it turned out delicious. So thank you for everyone that responded. Yeah, I think it's going to be a quiet day from here on in. Still planning on planting peas in the very near future. They can take the cold. Haven't gone through my seeds yet. I know I've got peas. I'm looking for kale. That'll be the next thing I plant. Anyways, I'm looking forward to it. Still can't get the Jeep in. There's still too much snow on the driveway. I'm hoping it thaws out in the next day or two. The weather's supposed to get considerably better. I've only hauled in, maybe 10 bags out of the back, 10 bags of animal feed. I'm hoping I can drive in with the remainder. No pressing need. I've hauled in enough to fill the short-term gaps, so we shall see. Anyways, like I said, it's going to be a quiet afternoon. It's the journey, not the destination. And enjoy each day while you can, people. Icky out.